storm.
Yeah, actually, we are going to be looking at the potential for another winter system later on this week. So, got a couple of weather makers that we're tracking. We've got one that hits tomorrow, one that hits late Thursday into Friday. So, a few different systems are affecting us this week. We're going to get to all that coming up. But right now, looking outside, pretty nice. Those temperatures, 42 degrees. The average high this time of year is that number. So, we are looking at a warm day. I mean, if it is 5:19 in the morning and we're already at the average high, you can pretty much bet there's a good chance we're going to have a nice day. Not always, but there's a good chance we're going to have a nice one, and we are going to look at one nice one out there today. As you move on up down rather into the hills into southeastern Ohio, the things do cool off a little bit into the mid and the upper 20s, but a lot of us looking at the mid to upper 30s to right around 40. Now we do have a little wind chill factor out there. Wind chill factors at 37 here in town, in the low 30s as you move on into Marysville, London, Washington Courthouse, and even upper 20s up in Delaware. So yeah, there's a little bite to the air, but all in all, not bad out there. We're going to drop a few degrees with some sunshine to start the day today with your hour by hour forecast. Right around the temperature about 45 by 10 o'clock. Lunchtime, 53. We end up with a high this afternoon of around 59. We are going to look at a nice one out there today. Actually, it was really nice to get out there. I'm going to make it sound like I did. My wife got out in the yard yesterday and did some gardening and all that stuff. She loves doing that. I don't. I just had to move all the barrels of all the gunk that she got rid of out there. But yeah, good day to get out there in the yard today with a high of right around 59. And we do have some flood warnings still to talk about out in southern Ohio. Flood watches for tomorrow here in central and southern Ohio because the next weather maker will bring us the potential for a little flooding. Satellite radar imagery, not too bad out there. A couple of clouds out to the north of us, but mild and sunny as we start the week. A soggy Tuesday in the forecast. Snow and ice will hit later on this week. So let's jump ahead to that first alert weather day with the next weather system that hits us late in the week. It will bring us a mixed bag of precipitation. Again, this will be Thursday into Friday, rather. Looks like we will have the potential for a little sleet. It'll turn a little heavier in the day, maybe even a little freezing rain. We're still going to kind of keep our eye on that. It's still a little early to talk numbers on all this, but it looks like we'll watch this turn over to a little bit of light snow by the end of it. And then we'll jump ahead to tomorrow. So a couple things we're tracking. Tomorrow, we've got the rain coming in. Here we have 7 a.m. You can see some showers starting to arrive. We'll push this ahead towards 10 o'clock. Yeah, we've got some steady rain in some areas, especially south of I-70. We're talking about areas Pickaway County, Circleville, down out towards Chillicothe, even out into Waverly. And here's lunchtime tomorrow. Some steady rain across Columbus and out in southern Ohio as well. This continues to move on through here as we get on into the day tomorrow. But look at this, it's starting to pull out by the time we head on towards and past 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow. So it's going to be a little soggy tomorrow, but today looking pretty good. 59, that is your high today. We're looking at a high of 62 tomorrow with steady to heavy rain at times, especially through the morning into the early afternoon. A little bit quieter on Wednesday with a high of 40. We'll see mostly to partly cloudy skies through the day. Then the next weather maker arrives, bringing us a mix at times on Thursday. Could bring us a little sleet, little ice, then turns over to light snow, but moves out of here as we head through Friday morning. But still, it looks like we'll have the potential for another system that could bring us a few inches of snow. Again, it's still a little early to talk numbers, so keep tuning back to the forecast because we'll be talking about this as we head through the week. After that, a little quieter, but wow, it's going to be chilly. Temperatures topping out at 30 on Saturday, 33 on Sunday. We are in the low and the mid 30s as we start out next week.